Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Facebook Pixel for ads in 2025. Alright guys, so your first step would be to simply log on to the ads manager on Meta, which is basically logging into your Facebook account and then heading over to the ads manager. So head over to ads manager by simply searching for Facebook ads manager. You will find it there and just go ahead and click on go to ads manager. So click on go to ads manager. Once you're on here, just simply go ahead and click on the icons on the left and then select Events Manager. So click on Events Manager. You're going to be taken to the Events Manager page. So on here, head over to Data Sources. Data Sources is going to open up and then you can go ahead and create the pixel on here by clicking on create at the top right, but I already have a pixel running, so let's just go ahead and click on continue pixel setup. So it's basically the same thing as clicking on create. So when you click on setup, you're then met with the option to copy your code manually or to copy your code or to use the partner integration. If you click on copy your code manually, you're going to be shown the codes you can add to your Shopify or to your WordPress. You can add them anywhere to track your visitors. So where we have install base code, click on it and then click on copy code. So simply copy this code and then include the base code into your website header. So that's what it's going to do. And then for the automatic advanced matching, it's just going to be tracking all the people who are clicking on your links, who are making use of your links, who are also their country, their date of birth, gender. So click on continue on here, and then the next step is using the event setup tool. So just go ahead and click on add events and just simply go to your overview. So when you head over to the overview, you're going to be seeing a green dots, you're going to see a green dot on your pixel, which means it has begun tracking. So don't forget to copy the code and paste it into your header or your Shopify on your website. Just paste it there and it's going to work. All right guys, that's how you can simply go about this. It's a really easy process to follow. Use the create, use the continue pixel setup, and you should be good. All right guys, so comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.